Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. I've got a rectangle and I made it thick lines, and I deliberately went and separated I separated them like I could join them right there, but I could also separate them. Well, if you look, because of a thick line, let's just join them and see what happens, and they become a square line, and they make it really nice. So if you ever have this situation where you have a bunch of them, there's two ways you can do this. Well, there's more than two ways, but I'm going to show you the way I would like to do it. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves. I'm going to get my shape tool and I'm going to select all those, and I did that. But you have to be able to select them all. And if they were all, misconstrued and around different shapes, and you could not grab them all, and I always draw a rectangle around my box or my object if I'm going to use a Smart Fill tool. And I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. So I move that out of the way and I left click, right click, and then we'll make it the same thickness as that line, just so you can see that they are not broken anymore. So the one on the left, the nodes are not joined, the one on the right is. So your Smart Fill tool can do a lot of things for you. And just to prove that these are broken lines, you can move the lines around. And you can't do that when the lines are solid, because you're going to screw up the whole shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.